that?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. And then we're going to have some slides in relation to this as well. Beautiful.
So who here knows what the smart level or zip level is? Who's ever heard of that? Okay? Who here is only really using a traditional wage level? Great, okay, awesome.
Alright, so as you can see in our slide here on the screen, what the smart level does, basically it'll do anything that a laser will do. Now, I'm not saying throw your laser away. There's applications where lasers work perfectly. The advantage of smart level over laser, one is it's very quick and easy. As soon as all you have to do is set the base unit down in the center of your job site. You've got 100 foot of tubing, so it gives you a 200 foot area to work in. And anywhere that you can take smart level around over behind, you've got a valid reading. Now, one of the major advantages, you can see here, we've got a gentleman that's filling with a story pole. And when you start with that laser, your laser may hit it at 29 7/16 of an inch. If you got a mass addition the rest of the day.
Yep.
And if you want a inch and 7/16 on top of that, I got to get a pencil and a piece of paper and that.
That's what we were referencing earlier, just keeping that brain space clear so you're not noticing. Because I remember I would have at any given point at a hardscape installation, I've noticed this is plus this is minus this, doing the math up and down, and it's a lot keeping your head.
It's a lot. If you do it every day, you can do it in your head. I've done that. But if you're not that familiar with it, it's frustrating. And you're going the opposite direction. If the grade's going down, the story pole's getting longer.
Right.
It's confusing. So, like I said, anywhere we set the base unit here in the center of the job site, doesn't matter where it's in, it's just got to stay put once you set it there. And then you zero smart level at your reference height, and it eliminates the math. If you're an inch and a half higher, it'll say an inch and a half. If you're 7/16 lower, it'll say minus 7/16. It's easy. Now, this is where we work around obstructions here.
Mike, is this a tool that you would just recommend to field staff? Is this going to be a tool that's used for both designers, field staff, and estimators?
Everybody uses this tool. Where it really shines is job vision and double checking your work. With a laser, it takes a little while to set the laser up. If you're just going to, if you've got a site that doesn't look quite right, and you just want to do a quick check, as soon as you set this down, walk out, zero, you've got a valid reading. So you can double check a job, do that in the truck and gone before you get your laser.
Yeah.
You can set out.
Yeah, that's something we've found. I think the two most common applications we've used Altimeter for in our company has been both estimating, so just making sure we can get all of our major grades sorted out quickly, number of steps, heights of walls, all of that's been made that learning curve much faster, much simpler, especially as we bring new people on the estimating team. And then secondly, site layout has been unbelievable.
Yeah.
So when we get the team to start, or whenever we get to the site to start building, I noticed you had up there like measuring around obstructions, something the laser can't do. So you'll start on one corner of the house and you have to figure out the total rise and fall of the sidewalk, wrapping the whole way around the side of the house. This is something that can tell you that without having to have a clear sight line.
Exactly, and this also broadens your workbench. Not everyone can use a laser. You have to pay attention when you set it up, and you have to know a little bit about what you're doing. Basically, anyone that can hold a button down on this and zero it, and then read the number can use it. I had a 10-year-old girl actually level the base grade for a swimming pool at this one time. She was so proud of herself, and her mom was too. I wish I had that slide with you. It made a really cute photo.
Yeah.
It's very easy to use.
And Mike, can you go into the app of it without going too far into the weeds? Just explain what the app does, how it benefits you, what you actually get in return from it.
Where the magic really starts to come in. The smart level is an industrial computer. So if we come up with new functions and features, you just upgrade it like you upgrade your laptop. So the person that bought the first, we've been on the market for 4 years now, going on 5 years. The person that bought the first one has all the same features as the brand new one that we just took out of the box here. Now, it's connected to the app via Bluetooth. And this is where it really starts to save you time and money if you're bidding jobs. With a regular laser, with a competition, you take a legal pad with you and you start writing all of your readings down, and you get back to the design table and you don't remember if this looks right or that looks right. Or, it's just difficult. Whenever we get into smart level, you can take a photograph, which is what we've done here, and you can drop all of your readings into that photograph. Now, if you got an overhead drone image, this is gold. right here, what we did is we actually mapped an area out. I was hoping Justin Lewis, if you've been on this is his job site, he was going to be here, but I think he's not quite here yet. But as you can see, we have all of the readings that we need across this entire site. We create a perimeter which gives you a working area so that you can line it up. If you put our next slide up with this, it'll show that. So right here, we dropped an overhead image into that topo map. There's no question where any point in this property, how the distance, the height, you got all the readings here that you need. This saves you time and money on materials. You don't have to go back out to the job and refigure things. It's just.
So what does the carbon on this cost? It seems pretty intimidating. Is it way out there? What's our price point for something like this?
What we've got, and here's the show we got a special, of course. The regular list price on the unit is $995, less than $1,000. That includes the app, the carrying case, the mod pod. So far, we have had no charges whatsoever on all the upgrades. Like I say, we've had several innovations come out in the last 4 years. There's no monthly fees. That's it.
It's very comparable to traditional. Yes,
Great.
Thank you so much, Mike. I would encourage anyone who doesn't know about the smart logo to ask him questions about it. He's extremely passionate and he is the investor. So that's really cool to have him out here. So thank you so much, Mike.
I really appreciate the opportunity, gentlemen. As I'm walking off the stage, if you want to roll through the other, you'll see some of the projects we created very quickly.
Cool, yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you,
Thank you so much. Yeah, we're really grateful for you sharing that with us. And again, if we reference back to planning and how crucial site layout is, we discussed yesterday whenever Frank was on stage, just the difference of a couple inches. So be able to stay on top of that, understand your site, understand the site layout, where you actually need to be down to an inch making a difference over an entire patio is thousands of dollars in the contract. So Mike, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time. Yeah. And then here afterwards for any questions y'all may have in regards to the product.
I want to touch base and see where we're at. Obviously, we're mid-build, so we can't quite finish things, but maybe just explain where